Well, my friends, it's the end of an era. We were supposed to have a ton of rain yesterday on Sunday, the 29th of December, for those of you that are keeping count. However, that didn't really happen during the day. What happened was several strong lines of thunderstorms that came in the wee hours of the morning. But holy cow, this gazebo, whatever you want to call it, has seen some stuff. And I'm kind of sad to see her go. I'm hoping maybe I can salvage some pieces for, special projects here and there. But honestly, after looking at it real close, it's not happening. I think it's a total loss. The Chinesium has finally met its end. But I guess we got to start taking this thing down. It's a safety issue, being it's all over the place. The back patio door actually got blown open, and that was supporting that back corner there. And so I came to it this morning and moved that pole around. But let's get to cracking on this, inspect some other damage, if there was any. And hope I don't get tetanus. I've already had a shot for that though, so I should be cool. Oh, I almost forgot. We probably need some music. So, here we go. Music. So I got all this stuff that was over there. It's cleaned out right now. Now I got to figure out how to take it apart. This though, however, this has happened to me before and I got by. Happened 2 years ago. So in 3 of these columns, I think it's just 3, might be 2, are actual like 4x4s, and I got these really long like ledger lag bolt deals. Those right there, and screwed those down into the tops of the 4x4s, and that actually helped a whole lot. Okay, so those bolts are rusted in there really good, and the battery died on this. So we're just gonna have to do things the old-fashioned way. Those are disconnected now from most of them. I can't reach those other ones. So yeah, let's figure out how this is now coming down. Do not come out here. Do not come out here.